Okay, so last week we looked at the flood and drain system, which is one of the two systems that we're trialing over here. The second system is what we call the NFT system. It stands for the nutrient film technique. It's called the nutrient film technique because at the bottom of all of these drain pipes is an inch of water, which creates a nutrient film, and that's constantly flowing along the roots of the plants. So like the flood and drain system, we have our reservoir down here. It's 100 litres with 24 fish in the back. Water goes from the reservoir into our clarifier. This clarifier is made out of an old oil drum, vegetable oil that we cleaned out. You get them free in all kinds of falafel shops, kebab shops. People want to get rid of them. So we clean it out. We've put in 2 polish discs here, used for polishing floors. We've cut them to size, and they're taking out all of the solid waste. So the pump sits on the other side, and because we're blocking out the solid waste, we're not too worried about the actual pump filter getting blocked there. It pumps up the water from the clarifier across the back of the system. This is just a regular garden hose here, and then we have 8mm irrigation pipes. You can see the water has got a constant flow there. So all of these 8mm irrigation are flowing at the same rate and flowing down the angled drain pipes. They come down the pipe and then they actually drain out the bottom into this excellent pipe around the bend and return to the reservoir. So that's how the system circulates. So the way you plant in a system like this is we get a cup. These cups are generally given out free when you buy a bottle of Coke, but it's only 5 shekels for 100 cups, so about €1 for 100 of these. You poke holes in the bottom of the cup and you put in your plant and you put gravel around it to give it the support. This is a tomato plant. You can see the root system is quite developed. It's doing very well, and it's grown a lot of new leaves in the last couple of weeks. So that just sits in here. You can see in the hole there's actually a constant bit of water there flowing. So if by any chance electricity was cut out, or for whatever reason the pump broke, you would have an inch of water in the system that would probably keep your plants alive for a day or two. The actual frame of this system is built out of pallets found in supermarkets or building sites. So again, people are generally going to throw this kind of thing away. The pipes we bought, but again you can find scrap pipe, but they're actually relatively cheap. And the pipe ends here we've made out of inner tubing of tires with a cable tie. So trying to make it as simple and as easy for any family to do. And that's how it works.